guys, today we are going to make cabbage or gobhi ki sabzi in a very simple style. We are just going to add some chana dal, cabbage, onion and some green chilies, that's all. Turmeric, then some salt, and I think we are ready to go. Some people can add tomato into it. Let's see. We'll also add a little bit tomato, but we are not going to make it spicy. We are not going to add any masala. Maybe a little bit magic masala, Maggi magic masala, that will be. That's all. Let's add some turmeric. That's all. Cabbage, cover it. Now, let's keep fry. The oil is mixed up all our cabbage. After that, we'll add some salt. Add some salt to it. Around 1 full tablespoon. That's all. Okay, it again. What we'll do is we'll cover it with the lid. And that's all. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, the vegetable is almost done. Now add a bit of tomato. Chopped tomatoes. Okay. So we added any water to it because cabbage itself have a water. So we are cooking in itself water. And as you can see, our chana dal also is cooked. Many people might be thinking why I did it later on, but if you can see properly, see our chana dal is almost cooked. I have not tasted it, but I can see and I can tell you it's almost cooked. Now we'll cover it up, we'll make the flame low and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, so as you see, we are adding little bit magic masala to it. Just one packet to give, it will enhance our taste. Okay, that's all.